Sup, guys? This is Alex True. Oh, wow. You know what? I discovered that the machine works so much better if you put the machine 40 inches away from the body. Okay. See, back in the days when I first invented this machine, this latest model, I tried, placing the machine different places, sometimes like 20 inches away. Sometimes, tilt the machine sideways, and sometimes to have the machine, front end of the machine point directly to my head. Or, you know what, now I discovered, okay, after half a year of making this newest model, I discovered that the best way to heal your body is to place the machine 40 inches away from your body, okay? It could be 40 inches away from your head, 40 inches away from your chest, or 40 inches away from your legs, It's just that the machine's 40 inches away. And then the front end of the machine is not facing your body. The front end of the machine is facing the headboard of the bed or the foot of the bed, okay? Front end of the machine is not facing the body anymore. See, back in the days, I thought because I built this gun turret inside the machine, I thought the electron belt would shoot out and it would be like an oval shape. It would almost be like the shape of a raindrop, or the shape of like a flame. When you turn on, for example, if you have a cigarette lighter, right? You switch on the cigarette lighter, and then you see the flame. It's sort of like a cone shape, right? Back in the day, so I thought it was like that. But now I discovered, no. After I built the gun turret inside the machine, the electron belt shoot out like a spare, like a ball, like a spare, yeah. And now I discovered the machine is most effective if you push it all the way, like 40 inches away from your body. That's the most effective. Okay, the side of the machine is facing your body, and then the front end of the machine is facing the headboard or facing the foot of the bed. Okay. You put a machine like that. Okay, you place the machine on your bed, or you buy yourself a cheap plastic stool, cheap plastic chair, and then put the machine on that plastic stool, and then make sure the machine is 40 inches away from your body, and I discovered this is the best way to heal. Really, this is really the best way. See, back in if you do it like this, okay, you can have the machine. You can heal the body the entire night. You don't even need to remove the machine anymore. You just put the machine there and you just lie down, and doesn't matter. You don't even have to lie on your back. You can sleep sideways too, and then throughout the whole night you can feel your body, your cells are realigning, seriously realigning, realigning with each other. You feel the jerks suddenly jerk and this and that, and I felt so much healing, man, in my eyes, in my throat. If you have any weakness in the body, you feel it. Yesterday, I also felt some sharp pain in my stomach, because I have I'm an alcoholic, right? And I have a little bit of ulcer in my stomach, and I felt the sharp pain, Back in the days, I don't feel it. Now I feel it after I put the machine 40 inches away from my body. I feel the sharp pain in my stomach. I felt my nose realign itself, my ligament in my nose, realign itself, and then I felt all sorts of weird shit last night. It was really spectacular. I've been placing the machine 40 inches away with front end of the machine facing the headboard for a few days now, and every day it amazes me. The healing is so much stronger. And then I can heal like that the whole day. The whole night. The first time I tried to heal like this, 2 hours later, I still couldn't fall asleep. So I pulled the machine back again. So the the front end of the machine is pointing to my head again. You know, I pull the machine back, you know, place it right next to my pillow so the machine is only like 12 inches away from my head. And then I point the front end of the machine to my head again. And that would cure insomnia. You know, like if you can't fall asleep, that's what you do. You pull the machine back and then let the machine, front end of the machine point to your head. And immediately, and the machine's only 12 inches away from your head. Immediately, you would fall asleep. You get dizzy and you just fall asleep, you know. That's the way to cure insomnia, you know. But from now on, you know what? I'm not even going to, you know, toy around with the machine anymore. I'm just going to put the machine 40 inches away from the body, from exactly where I want to heal, and then have the front end of the machine pointing to the headboard. I'm just going to do it this way from now on. I'm going to see what's going to happen. You know, I'll report back to you guys. But trust me, this is great. I love it this way. You know, you ought to try it. I'll talk to you later.